Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and today I am going to show you how to import contacts into Gmail from a CSV file. So open Gmail, then click on the Google Apps icon at the top right corner, the one that looks like a small grid of dots. Scroll down and look for Contacts. Click and it will take you to Google Contacts. In Google Contacts, look at the left-hand menu and click Import. A window will then pop up asking you to upload a file. Click Select File. Then choose the CSV file you want to upload from your computer. You can also add label, for example, if these contacts are from work, so it's easier to organize them, and click Save. Click Import and Gmail will automatically add all the contacts from your CSV into your Google Contacts list. And that's it.